Hi, and today I'm going to be seeing if permanent marker is actually permanent. So a couple of minutes ago, I made this piece of tape, some permanent marker, and even some pen written on it. I have let it dry. You might not want to do this without an adult's help. So I've got some hydrogen peroxide right here that you can buy at a local store for treating wounds with. And right here, I've got a swab of toilet paper that I've rolled, bended, and twisted to form into some kind of Q-tip. Alright, so I've just wetted this with the rubbing alcohol. Let's see how it works. Alright, so the pen is definitely coming off, but thus far the permanent marker... Oh wait, I mean, okay, it's slightly coming off. Oh, look at that, It's pretty basic. Some of it got on my finger too, but yeah. So now let's test the permanent marker again. This time I have more alcohol. I'm rubbing gently but firmly. You can already see that this circle is kind of giving way. Wow, this must be alcohol resistant ink. Oh, look at that. You kind of got to go a little rough on it, but it's completely gone. All that's left of it is a stain on the white notebook. I want to thank you for tuning in today. Like and subscribe if you want.